of health problems and diseases. And Ganoderma is so powerful that it is able to detoxify the body. The second important action of Ganoderma on the body is that it helps the body to balance its various functions. And once the organs are working properly, all the organs, especially when we talk about the vital organs, it's absolutely important that all our vital organs should be healthy so that our total health is absolutely all right. So, the stressing upon the most powerful effect of Ganoderma being the antioxidant effect. It removes the free radicals from the body. The free radicals are very toxic substances produced in the body, which lead to a lot of diseases, especially heart disease, brain disease, kidney disease. So these free radicals have to be eliminated, and Ganoderma does the function of the antioxidant action. So that is a unique effect of the Ganoderma. The second most powerful effect of Ganoderma on the body is the immunomodulation. So all of us are aware that in the present situation, the COVID situation, we always talk about the nutrition and immunity, and Ganoderma is one of the powerful food supplement which can modulate our immune system and enhance our immune system. The other benefits are the antiplatelet effect that helps the blood to flow in the minute vessels normally. And that is a action which helps every organ in the body to receive adequate blood flow. That's an important effect. The other beneficial effect of Ganoderma on the body is anti-inflammatory effect. As a natural painkiller, it reduces pain and inflammation. The anti-hypertensive effect of Ganoderma is well established. It balances the blood pressure. And today, hypertension is one of the common disorders which lead to a lot of health problems, and it is absolutely important that we should keep our blood pressure within normal limits, and Ganoderma helps to stabilize the blood pressure. The other medicinal benefit of Ganoderma is that the anti-allergic effect. I'm just recalling what are the medicinal benefits of Ganoderma. The allergy can be produced by any substance, and nowadays we use a lot of these toxic products, and we are allergic to so many things. And Ganoderma is able to help patients with any kind of allergy, especially the nasal allergy, bronchial allergy, asthmatic patients, skin allergy. So it can address that. One of the powerful effect of Ganoderma is that it has got the anti-cancer effect. Very powerful effect of Ganoderma, and it has been well established that Ganoderma is a very, very powerful anti-cancer substance. There are so many compounds present in Ganoderma which have this anti-cancer effect. So we shall talk about that little later. And the vasodilatation, that is to increase the blood flow, because every organ requires a proper blood flow, and only if the blood flow is proper, you get proper oxygen and nutrition. So enhancing the blood flow to every organ is very, very important, and there is no special medicine to improve the blood flow from head to toe. And Ganoderma has got this property of improving the blood flow by this vasodilatation effect. It regulates all the organ functions, as I mentioned, the vital organs. And when you consume Ganoderma for a longer period of time, maybe 3 to 5 years, you're supposed to get the regeneration, the power of regeneration of the cells. and especially in the old age, this is very, very important to us. It's a very powerful adaptogen, meaning that an adaptogen is a food supplement uh, which is absolutely non-toxic, and it is able to give health benefits. Ganoderma is a very powerful anti-stress herb because stress is a major killer, and it is absolutely important that we avoid stress or manage our stress on a daily basis. So Ganoderma calms our mind and reduces our stress. So let me concentrate on some of the important actions of Ganoderma, and these effects are published in the PubMed. So one of the most important references that you should share with your colleagues, your members or prospects is that the PubMed. So make a note of it that about this PubMed website, and you'll get all the research information available. As we said earlier, it's a very powerful anti-cancer effect. It has got multiple the effects on the cancer. It's a carcinostatic, meaning that it directly kills the cancer cells, and the cancer cells can be killed by modulating through the immune system and also by cutting off the blood supply to the cancer cell. That is the angiogenic effect. So using Ganoderma as an anti-cancer substance, we can effectively help a lot of patients with cancer. And today, cancer is number 2 killer, the first killer being the heart disease. And it is said that in another 10 to 20 years, cancer will overtake heart disease and it will become the number 1 killer. So it's absolutely important that we should prevent these deadly diseases. This is cancers. So when you consume Ganoderma for a long time, it can help in preventing cancer and also help in treating cancer. The only point that we should remember is that cancer cells are very difficult to kill, and you require a very high dose of Ganoderma lucidum RGGL. It is almost 22 to 24 grams of Ganoderma lucidum every day, RGGL every day. That is why there is a special product which Dr. Lim has given to us, that is Mycovita. And now the powder is available here in India, so that for the bulk consumption, we can use that. We talked about the immunoregulation. So immunomodulation is very, very critical. And as I said, in this present scenario, we are all worried about our own immune system. The immune system weakens as we age. The immune system also weakens when you have comorbid conditions like blood pressure, diabetes, cancer, or heart disease. So that is why old people are more susceptible to any kind of bacterial or viral infection. So it's very important that we should keep up our immune system powerful, and proper nutrition is very, very important. And in that perspective, spirulina plays a very important role in upgrading our micronutrition in the body, because I don't think we are getting enough micronutrition from our the food what we take daily, because now we tend to neglect the conventional food, the what we call it as the functional nutritional food, and we are all addicted to this fast food culture, and that leads to definitely a reduction in the immune system in children, in adults, and also in older people. So the presence of interleukin and interferon is very important, and Ganoderma increases the production of interleukin and interferon in our body and gives us powerful immune system. So it can regulate both the humoral and the cell-mediated immunity. Just to share a couple of the informations, the publications which are available in the PubMed, because when you go to the PubMed, there are thousands and thousands of research papers, and the article which are published in the PubMed should be of highest quality. Then only they will be accepted for publication. So we have so many references related to immunity, how Ganoderma can be helped, help our immune system, both cellular and the humoral immunity. So perusing the PubMed, you get a lot of information, and different fractions of Ganoderma can help in improving the immunomodulation. It's a very powerful heart tonic, because heart is a vital organ. And as I mentioned, heart disease is a #1 killer, and Ganoderma can protect the heart. It's a very powerful heart tonic. It's liver tonic, kidney tonic, and brain tonic, because by its powerful antioxidant effect, and also supplying adequate blood flow to all these vital organs, it will protect our organs. So daily intake of RGGL helps us to protect our vital organs. At the same time, it regularizes various organ functions. So in the PubMed, there's a lot of articles on how Ganoderma can protect the kidneys, the heart, and the liver. So the renoprotective and the hepatoprotective effect of Ganoderma. So these PubMed articles are very, very authenticated references, and we can use that for promoting Ganoderma to our team members, also our prospects. So prevention of heart disease, we should give utmost importance, because heart disease is a #1 killer, especially in the current situation. The middle-aged population, they are becoming more vulnerable, because they become hypertensive and diabetic at young age, at the age of 25, 30. And these are the major risk factors for heart disease. And we should protect the middle-aged group people. And India, as you know, is a large percentage of people are in the middle-age group. So that is why the risk factors for heart disease have to be controlled, and Ganoderma has a protective effect on the heart and modifies the risk factors. We call India as the diabetic capital of the world, but the scenario is that we have a large population, and that accounts for the number of cases which are very high, diabetic patients who are very high. And Ganoderma, by its action on the body, Ganodolon A and B fractions, they regulate the blood sugar and help in controlling the blood sugar. Of course, one need to be very careful about the dietary intake, especially the refined sugars. And all of you know that these refined sugars are in high quantity in all these soft drinks, almost 30 to 35 grams of blood sugar in each can or a bottle of the whatever soft drink, the popular soft drinks. So it's absolutely important that we should avoid that and minimize our refined sugar intake. And all our DXN products, they contain natural sugar and sulfurless sugar, and they are in a very less percentage. That is why our products are absolutely safe, and even diabetic patients can consume our beverages. So the hypoglycemic effect of Ganoderma can be useful in diabetic patients And I have personal experience of seeing so many patients, reducing their blood sugars and controlling blood sugars. Uh, some of the patients are absolutely given up insulin. Wound healing is also very important, and so many diabetic ulcers that can be helped with wound healing. The anti-lipid effect, even though the lipid, the cholesterol and the lipid theory is controversial, Ganoderma is very helpful in controlling our uh, lipid profile. There's antiviral action. Again, in this situation, the present scenario, both Ganoderma and Spirulina, they have antiviral effects, especially when we talk about the younger children and the older people. You have a lot of references on that. And when you take Ganoderma for more than 5 to 10 years, you are supposed to get the power of regeneration. So the regeneration of the cells in various organs in the body. And as we age, the regeneration function comes down, and the regeneration of cells is the technique by which we do the liver transplant and the bone marrow transplant, so that the cells regenerate in our body to do the normal function. So there are multiple benefits of Ganoderma lucidum on the body, and they can address the disease situation. So the current research is going on whether we could isolate new drugs from Ganoderma, like especially for cancer. And a lot of studies are there. And to quote my textbook of cardiology, our specialty textbook of cardiology, Braunwald's heart disease, there is a chapter, complement in alternative medicine. They talk about the Ganoderma lucidum, how the both Spirulina and Ganoderma lucidum can help in patients with heart disease, and talked about the regeneration. And when the regeneration function happens, the organ function recovers back to normal. This is one of the latest publication, that is in 2018, our Indian Heart Journal. There was a full article, 2018 September October issue, the original article. It showed the role of polysaccharide peptide of Ganoderma lucidum as a potent antioxidant against atherosclerosis. I talked about the antioxidant effect, the powerful antioxidant effect, and it can protect the heart. And it also helps patients with the heart disease, that is stable angina pectoris. So they have concluded saying that the polysaccharide fraction of Ganoderma lucidum is a potent antioxidant against pathogenesis of atherosclerosis in stable angina and high-risk patients. So we have so many authenticated references, and we have to use that so that we can upgrade the knowledge of our DXN members, and also educate our consumers as well as the products about our DXN products with reference to Ganoderma. And knowledge is never a waste. So I quote Swami Vivekananda: wisdom lies not in the amount of knowledge acquired, but in the degree of its application. We must apply the knowledge. We can't go on doing research and research and research, and then ultimately, end up with problem. So Dr. Lim is so great because he has made this research available to all of us in the form of DXN products. That's one great thing. That is why he's a great human being, and he has served the millions of people all over the world with the DXN products, and we are joining him to promote health and wellness. And to talk about the success in any field, it's only 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. So hard work is important, and especially the DXN business, it takes time to build up your business. Maybe about 3 to 5 years or even 10 years, doesn't matter. You have do a persistent effort, and you will be a successful person. So with this short brief the lecture on the Ganoderma lucidum. I thank you all and wish you a very successful future in the DXN. Good morning once again.
Thank you so much, sir, for enlightening us. दोस्तों, ये थे डॉक्टर एस रंजन, जिन्होंने गैनोडर्मा के ऊपर इतनी महत्वपूर्ण जानकारी हम सबके साथ में शेयर की। और दोस्तों, अब जो अगले लीडर हमारे बीच में आने वाले